Your bathtub is one of the surfaces in your home that you clean yourself. Every bath, every shower, your skin is in direct contact with that surface. And yet most people clean it with products containing chemicals so aggressive that they require gloves and ventilation warnings on the label. Today, we make something that cleans your bathtub more effectively than those products, from 3 natural ingredients, without a single chemical touching the surface where your family bathes. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because what you clean your bathtub with matters as much as how often you clean it. And today, both get better. The surface you trust without questioning. Think about the bathtub for a moment in a way most people never do. It is the one surface in your home specifically designed for sustained skin contact. You fill it with water and immerse yourself. Your children play in it. The person you love most in your family soaks in it after a long day. And the chemical cleaner you spray at surfaces before rinsing. The one with the warning label. The one that requires the window open and gloves on for the person applying it. How thoroughly does the rinse remove it? How confident are you that no chemical residue remains on the acrylic or enamel surface that your skin will be in contact with for 20 minutes? The formula, 3 ingredients, 60 seconds. The first ingredient is baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, which provides the mild abrasive action that physically disrupts and removes soap scum, body oil residue, and the dull film that accumulates on bathtub surfaces through daily use. Its alkalinity simultaneously works against the acidic compounds in soap scum, neutralizing and loosening them from the surface chemically, while the abrasive texture removes them physically. This dual action is why baking soda outperforms many commercial scrubs on soap scum despite its gentle nature. The application. Surface by surface. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda across the entire bathtub surface, including the base, the sides, and the area around the taps and drain where mineral buildup concentrates. Add 3 to 4 drops of dish soap directly onto the baking soda layer. Using a damp sponge or cloth, begin working the mixture into a paste across the surface in circular motions. The paste consistency that forms should be thick enough to cling to vertical sides without running, yet soft enough to spread easily. This is exactly what allows extended contact time with the surface. The result. What you are actually looking at. Stand back and look at the bathtub surface after this treatment. The soap scum is gone, not pushed around, not partially lifted, but genuinely removed by the combined mechanical and chemical action of the baking soda paste. The waterline ring that accumulates through daily bathing and resists the spray and wipe of conventional cleaners has been scrubbed away completely. The mineral deposits around the tap basin drain are dissolved by the vinegar's acetic acid. The surface has a clean, matte brightness that is the actual appearance of the acrylic or enamel beneath, and not the film-dulled appearance that has become familiar. And the surface where your family will next bathe contains nothing. No chemical residue. No fragrance compounds masking synthetic ingredients. No sodium hypochlorite dried into surface texture. Baking soda, which rinses completely and cleanly from any surface. Dish soap, which rinses away entirely with water. Vinegar, which evaporates completely as it dries, leaving only the acetic acid's effect and no compound behind. The bathtub cleaning product under your sink right now has a warning label because it deserves one. The ingredients inside it were formulated for effectiveness, not for the safety of the surface where your family's skin will be in sustained contact 20 minutes after you rinse. The formula we made today was formulated for both, and it delivers results that match or exceed the chemical alternative in every category of bathtub soiling. Baking soda, dish soap, white vinegar, applied separately after rinsing. 3 ingredients, 60 seconds to prepare. A bathtub that is genuinely, completely chemically clean, and a family that bathes on a surface that deserves the same standard of care they do. If this made you want to try the natural scrub on your bathtub today, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and ring the notifications bell so natural home discoveries like this always find you first. Share it with someone whose family deserves to bathe on a surface cleaned without harsh chemicals. Click the link in the description box for highly recommended natural cleaning products, cleaning equipment, and cleaning supplies. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.